just trying to drill out the screw holes that for the pillars that I fixed, like this one. This one, I don't know what the hell went on, but this super glue just hasn't set. It's just collapsed. I don't know what.
Hello there.
What's gone on with it, but the whole thing is just shattered. Okay, got to stick that back on. There we go. Okay, so I've got to rebuild that as well. A lot more rebuilding that than actually building. Yeah, I was doing that because I think with a bit of pressure, under pressure, this will just shut, I think. I don't know. I need to get this plate in. That's why.
Have a great time.
I need to get this plate in, and then the plate will tell me. But that means if I get the plate in, I need to rebuild that. No, I don't need to rebuild that at the moment. Get the drill away before I knock it off and break it. Oh yeah, if you're hearing a humming, it's normal. I've got a fan going here. It's getting a bit hot, a bit toasty in the garage, so those are going to fall off. I can feel it coming. So let's see whether I will destroy the rest of these screw holes. Oh, that does not feel good. Oh, that's cracking. That is cracking. And not cracking on like, oh, we're moving on. It's cracking like, see, that broke. That just shattered. Look, let me show you. That piece right there. Hold on. See it? Just gone. Absolutely gone, that one. So another piece to repair. Why is there a screw hole there? It's supposed to be there. How did I fuck up that measurement that badly? Well, anyway. I just want to screw this roughly in place. Oh, that's feeling so bad though. Screw this in. That is breaking. That one's breaking, that's for sure. And that had a screw in it. Okay, let me just get this one in. Oh, that one. That one's crunchy as well. Okay. Okay, so at least that can't move now. Let's get this on. Okay, and that's not shutting. I can't actually see why. And is it just because of that silly little pin right there? Oh, and it's that piece right there. Oh dear. There's this pin that's pushing down on here somewhere. And then it's this bump right here, which is catching on here. Which blows, which absolutely blows, only because this is a bit too high. Just a bit, not much, just a bit. And I think I can fix that. With no cutting, let me show you, is to go make this hole bigger. And am I going to take the computer off, or am I going to risk drilling through? Place your bets, place your bets. I think you know where this is going. Let's, like I say, risk it for a biscuit. To be honest, I don't fancy a biscuit right now, but let's do it. What could go wrong? Okay, I'm gonna unscrew it. I'm gonna unscrew it. I'm not that stupid yet. Will that go through? That goes through. Okay, I think this might have just saved a real hassle. Hold on. They're all breaking. Everything's breaking. That one's got to break as well. At least it can't go anywhere. Okay, so. Okay, I forgot a few holes. I forgot all the holes for here. How did I do that? I don't know. Hold on. because that's not really helping me. Okay, so this is still being pushed on here. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to need to think about it. Board roughly repaired. This one broke again, but I think I'm just gonna have to come to terms with things are gonna break with this 30-year-old plastic. So I moved the main board, well, where the processor is, I moved it closer, so there's a few more holes, but it should be fine now, hopefully. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Okay. I've still been trying to repair this monstrosity. I'm not doing a very good job, but, you know. Tough. So, will this go together? Ah, I think it's this. So let's get rid of that. How hard is that going to be? Oh. Okay, I think it's just my... that's it. That is in there. I believe it's just my little bodgy repair job that's coming in contact with that bit right there. So I can make that bigger. And that's practically done. Let me try and stick that back. This is going to be the PlayStation Super Glue Edition, I think. That's a lot of glue right there. It took a long time, but I've desoldered everything from the main board. So the plan is I'm going to stick this here. Bloop. I can connect the front, there's no light. There we go. Then I connect the front piece up to here, power in, and then I need to figure something out for the light and the button. Well, that is actually connected up to the mini PC. The reset button will be connected up to the power button on the PC here. That's what we said. And then I want this on switch to turn on this light. And then we can do the finishing touches. This is the max brightness of that light. That's off. That's on. I'm gonna replace that bulb with this bulb because this is much brighter and that's just not hacking it. Old bulb out. New bulb in, turn on, much better. Nailed it. Cool. Moving on to power button. Yep, I think I'm done. I do have to say, yes, this cable is a bit long. Do I want to cut it? No, not really. If it can sit in there just wrapped around, I'm good with that. But I've got these two wires right here. They are for my power button, which is connected to the PlayStation reset button. I just want to plug it in and see whether it all works. So, the light's on. Now if I hit the reset button, it should turn on the PC. Yes, it does. Brilliant. The power cord is, oh no, but it's very close to the cog here that does the opening. The light is not on again, but it fits, I think. Well, that part doesn't. That does. That does. And like that, will this open? No. See, that's where the power cord is getting caught. broke again. So fragile. It's so fragile. But apart from that, this is practically done. Trim this wire down so it doesn't get in the way of anything. I'm gonna finish up drilling these holes out and making sure that when I'm gonna screw it in, it's not gonna freaking break everything. And I'll come back when it's ready to be mounted together, I guess. It's all in. The one thing I did forget, but I remembered, was getting the antennas for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth card. And now I have to do the thing I don't really want to do. Screw this on. Oh, yes. Another thing. That is the manufacturing date that was on here. That I cut out. We'll see that once this is all screwed together. Perfection. Whoa, I don't want to drop it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh look, there's a bit there. Oh no, what did I just break? Oh no. That one cracked. That one's collapsed. That one's barely holding on. I am just tempted to run super glue all the way around and just pin it together because all of these mountains are just broken. Anyway, it's together. Look at that. So the hole that I cut out, why did I cut a hole out? Two reasons. One,
wow,
better cooling and access to everything. And two is I need this, and that fits in there very nicely. Beautiful. Look at that. And yes, you're going to say it's blocking the fan, but that's normal because I'm only going to put that away when it's off. I am so not trusting these screws. So, after a very annoying amount of time and an annoying amount of that was stuck onto there glue, I gave up with the screw holes and I just super glued the whole thing together. So now it can't come apart. So we've got our PC and our PlayStation. And all of this work was to celebrate the 30th year anniversary of Time Crisis. So we're gonna, well, not pop out this CD. We're gonna leave it in its box with its manual and play on our PC now. Oh yeah, here we go.
There's been a kidnapping.
It's Rachel, the princess from this island. Completely pixelated. And they even stole Big Ben. Those bastards. story game. Here we go. Stage 1. There. Shoot him. Here we go. Not Michael Jackson. Elvis Presley. Yep. Gotcha. I missed. Oh yeah. Got my own arcade. I think the reflection of the lights. Get in the way. Yeah, I can't shoot left. There's something about the reflection there. Oh. No, I'm going to have to do the code. What if I turn the lights off? There we go. I was a bit too close as well. Come. Oh yeah! So there is my PlayStation 1 build. The concept works fine, but it has fallen apart. The reset button was supposed to turn on the PC. The button broke, so now it gets stuck. I don't know why, just suddenly happened. It would have been brilliant if I could reuse this, but as I had to super glue it all together, that's it. It is. Oh, well, it's probably falling apart anyway. So there, really cool project. This isn't bad either. Bit of expensive, but not bad to have an old classic arcade machine at home. Some real good fun. So I do have another project in mind where I would like to use this PC. Here's the thing. To get that out, I need to separate this. And I saw in some comments that some of you weren't really happy I used a perfectly working PlayStation for this. So I'll let you decide. Do I keep the little PC in here forever and ever? Or do I take it out of here and do another project with it? I will let you decide. Although I might still have the final say, but I will let you decide. Yeah, I'm still deciding, okay? So, yeah. And as this is literally 8 months later, I will see you for my next project, which is already finished and it's just over there. I mean, I can literally show you. There we go. That's all you get to see. I'm popping this back now. I think I might keep on playing. Yes, there she is. That's Rachel there. Here comes Elvis Presley. Not holding on to the hook in any way, but whatever. Brilliant game. I'm missing.